Very good morning to all. Today we will discuss about the closed loop configuration of operational amplifier, and the type is 2, which is non-inverting configuration. Let's start the derivation part and the configuration. Non-inverting closed loop configuration. We have plus minus terminal. We have this R1. Now we give the input to the pin number 3, and this is pin number 2, and this is connected with ground. And we have again a feedback network which is made from the resistance RF and R1, and this is making closed loop. And because of giving this input voltage to the non-inverting terminal, this configuration is known as non-inverting configuration. And the gain of this circuit, which is V0 upon Vin, which is known as closed loop gain for non-inverting, will be 1 plus RF upon R1. And we have to prove this also in this lecture. We take this as minus 4 and plus 4, terminal number 4, and the value is minus VE, and here we have plus VCC. We assume that this is node 3 and the voltage will be V3 at this node, and at this node voltage will be V2 due to the node number 2. Okay, now if there is the input voltage, the current starts from this terminal and goes inside, and there is an output, and this output will leads to the current which is known as IF. That is the feedback current, and this feedback current comes here. Some portion of that current, which let it be IN, try to come inside the operational amplifier, and rest part comes out at this point, and that current will be I1. Now, by applying KCL at node 2, KCL at node 2, IF incoming current will be equal to IN plus I1, and due to the assumption of our internal is infinite, ideally there is no current in this branch inside the circuit, and this IN will be equal to 0 ampere, hence IN will be 0 ampere, and IF equal to I1 in this case. Now we assume, and due to that virtual short concept, what will be the voltage at node 2, which will be equal to V3 voltage, and that is Vin here. That means now for finding out this IF, we can apply V0 at the higher potential, higher terminal, minus lower potential V2 divided by RF. That is the resistance in this path will be equal to what? I1, and the node voltage, we assume this as higher potential, and because the current flows from higher potential to lower potential, and here we have the node voltage 0 volt. This is V2 minus this 0 volt due to the ground connection divided by the resistance in this path, it will be R1, and replacing this V2 voltage wherever it is in this equation with Vin, V0 minus Vin divided by Rf is equal to V2 divided by R1, and what we finally want to achieve is that this closed loop gain V0 upon Vin. So we try to rearrange them. V0 minus Vin, this is V2, Rf upon R1, this V2 can be replaced by Vin, V0, we rearrange them, Vin, Rf upon R1, then plus Vin, V0 divided by, we take Vin as common and we left with Rf upon R1. We have derived this equation, and this 1 plus Rf upon R1 is known as G, which is closed loop gain. Loop gain in non-inverting configuration. Okay, hence we have derived the relationship of output and input for this configuration, which is known as non-inverting configuration, and if we apply some input voltage, then the output will be amplified with this gain, which is dependent on this resistance Rf and R1. Okay, and that will be amplified, and there is no phase shift with respect to input and output waveform because there is no negative sign in there. Hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.